Hi, I'm John Storms, and now we are going to mount our EFLake36 Snowflake from EFL Designs to some EMT. That way we can hang it off the house a little easier. The EFLake36 doesn't have a nice custom mounting system on Inspire light shows like some of the others do, but that's okay because they sell these universal mounts, right? So I would like to do vertical, but the problem there is the pixels are too close to each other, right? It's a high density prop, and this mount just doesn't fit between the pixels on this side. So I'm thinking about doing is instead using some of the pre-drilled holes that come with the flake and mount the mounts there and have it go horizontal, which may actually work out better. So Jackie has these pre-drilled holes already in place, so I was going to use those. So the first step is let's measure out this EMT and see how much I want. Let's have it go right there. About that. Okay. Get my handy dandy cutter. All right, just a little bit of tension. Spin it around. More, too much. A little more tension. There we go. Now let's see. That one is too short. Put that in the pile to use another time. Okay. We're going to run it through kind of like this. Let's dry fit it here. Kind of like that. See, I want a couple holes where I could run wire through to actually hang it. I want to make sure I don't put those holes where I'm planning on having the little posts. Okay. There we go. So I am using some 1/4 inch bolts that are 1 3/4 inches long. I have 1/4 inch washers. Give you a nice look at that. And then I have some 1/4 inch nuts. Now, let's see. Inside there is a hex shaped space. I'm trying to fit the nut in there. Okay, so I'm close. See in there? You can see that it's just sitting in there. Alright, so I'm going to run this bolt up in here like that. Nice and slow. Run this guy out until it catches that nut. Then when it catches that nut, I'm going to move my finger. Okay, so it has the nut. You can see the little bolts coming up. So a little bit more. Now let's suck that nut down. See, now that nut is down below. Reverse my screwdriver and pull that bolt out. See? And now it's ready to go. So let me do that a couple more times. So now I have the same washers and bolts. I've just painted them. So from the front, they're white. Alright, so that's one. Let's flip it back over. Have it going horizontally. Okay. Next one will be on the far side. Easier to get at this one from underneath. Totally. Him lined up. Last one. Hole. Okay, now they're all in there nice and snug. Let's go get our EMT. There we go. There we go. So now I'm going to go after it with some 1-inch self-tapping screws. There's one. There's two. 3. And 4. Ta-da! See, now they got a real nice handle to pick it up with. See, that's my EFLake. So here are the 4 points I just put in. I'm going to be hanging it like this. See, very pretty, very nice.